In this video, I'll show you how to add people to Facebook Business Manager step by step. Adding people allows you to give team members access to your business assets without sharing your Facebook login details. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, select People, then click the Add button. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite and click Next. Choose the type of access you want to give, such as Employee Access or Admin Access. After that, select the business assets they should manage, such as your Facebook page, ad account, Instagram account, or Pixel. Choose the permissions for each asset. Then review everything carefully. Click Invite to send the invitation. The person will receive an email and must accept the invitation before they can access your business assets. You can return to the People section anytime to update their permissions or remove their access if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.